So y'all know each other? So you're Guyanese people? And you live in Oshawa?
Oshawa.
Oh, somebody lied to you? The beautiful city of Oshawa. Oshawa, no, that's a different place for the crackers. That's somewhere else. You made it sound so nice, eh? You're like, I'm not from Oshawa, I am from Oshawa. Oshawa. You got your muscles and shit, you're like, yeah, say something. Guyanese, say something to me from Oshawa. What, bitch? What? Cool. You with your fam? Alright. Who else are you with here? Wow, look how this guy is just like, yo, you're the boss of the family. You're like, we are from Oshawa. All my kids, we are Guyanese and Oshawans. Oshawans. Like, wow, where's this magical place? And you guys are like, we're like, no, we must be a proud family. Let's go in our Vawan to Oshawa. In the back of our restaurant, we hear legends and tales. That was stupid. I'm sorry. That's cool. You got a nice family. You guys embarrassed or what's that? Okay. One scratching her neck. Ugh. They're like, you're an idiot. Papa Bear's gonna get mad. What'd you guys order on this menu? I like your accent. What'd you order on this menu? It's not gonna be fries. It's gonna sound magical. Escargots. Wow, sir. Escargots. Nice. So when you have family, like you're the only one talking.